Come test drive the 2013 1 Series. Even though the BMW 1 Series is the company's least expensive model, it is hardly an underperforming model and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, center armrest, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.